What do we call this new insulation?
This is pink next-gen fiberglass insulation.
So what makes it next gen?
Basically, we have re-engineered the way that we make the glass fibers, and it does everything from installs faster to less dust to soft as cotton.
So that's what I feel right out of the gate.
Right.
It's not itchy.
Yeah,
I put so much of this stuff in back when I worked with my dad,
yeah.
hating life. And like getting in the shower with a hot shower and a scrub brush, like it was the worst,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now this stuff is soft.
It's soft, and that's something that we've heard for years in the market, and we were finally able to address.
It's amazing. So how exactly, so it's still fiberglass.
Still fiberglass.
So
yeah.
what makes it soft?
So basically, in the past, fibers were straight and a little stiffer. We have figured out a way to re-engineer the fibers so they're finer.
Okay.
And they don't poke you any longer. They actually bend, they deflect, and also as a benefit to actually the thermal insulation, it creates 93% more air pockets, and that's what does insulating.
So it's not spiky, it's like curly.
Correct.
Like
Yep.
curly Q insulation.
That's right.
I love it. Right away my head goes to, is it the same R value?
It is. We've matched our previous portfolio of products, R11, 13, 15 on up. It does give us a platform to do new things with as the market adopts it.
It has the same insulating qualities.
Yep.
It's softer.
So,
Is it easier to install?
it is, and that's for a couple reasons. When you open the package, it blossoms out because it fully recovers. It comes compression packed, boom, it recovers, and that's what you need to fully fill a cavity to get the full thermal value.
And then also, I think you said earlier, it cuts better.
It cuts better, it even splits better. Anyone that's ever split a bat around a wire knows that sometimes you'll rip off a chunk.
Yeah,
These fibers go the length of a bat, you can split it all the way down.
having put
Yeah,
thousands of bats in myself,
right.
because my dad did everything.
Yeah.
This is like a game changer.
No, it's been really exciting. The market reaction to it, contractors working with it, demand it now. It makes them faster. They either get off earlier or get more done, get
I
more
love
piece
it.
rate.
Oh, last question, price. How does it compare to the old product?
It's the same.
Okay, so it's the same price.
Yep.
It cuts better. It splits better. Do you even make the old product anymore?
No, this completely replaced
Done.
the EcoTouch line.
Dude.
This is the new standard in
Unbelievable,
fiberglass.
game
Yeah.
changing.